it your choice or more Rebecca's choice? How did this work?
Yes.
The preparation for the project.
Yes, Rebecca is, I think, it's a curator together with Jamila, and she chose a lot of works. But it was in relation to every artist. It was not like I sent her some works. Or I think it is difficult to play with these rooms, and that is you never know which work is working with another one.
But she had the whole idea, so...
She has the whole idea, and I think she had a lot of sleepless nights also.
Well, how about you? Did you sleep well?
Yes.
Great. Could you tell us something about your artworks? I can see you mainly work in stone, so it's a natural material. Actually, it's kind of a classical approach, or not?
Yeah, it's very classical. Yeah.
So you consider yourself as a contemporary or classical artist?
I would say contemporary, but I think this is a problem with stone. If you use stone in this time, it's for everyone it's classical, because the way of working with the stone it's still classical.
So you
by hand and working.
All with hand, not any drills? And
yes, I have drills also, but it's the last level is always by hands. And
why stone?
It's a kind of fortune. I met in Berlin, before I studied at the University of Art in Berlin, I met three stone sculptors and from different countries, and they told me to come to the school. There is a nice teacher for stone, a Japanese sculptor, and then I went there and started to work with stone. It was 1 year before I started.
Did this experience with the Japanese sculpture give you any other dimension? Because there are cultural differences in, let's say, Western art, and we know the Japanese are quite traditional. They always look back in their tradition, culture. So, is there a difference?
Yes, of course.
Would you say it's the biggest difference between Western approach, or let's say Japanese approach, stone and sculpturing?
I think the Japanese has this strong respect of nature, and for example, the stone. It's a very. They try to find a very simple way to use it, and not to make the stone what my imagine is. It's like a balance between my ideas and maybe the stone what he keeps, what he has on energy, or not to destroy this block, or just to use it for just a material.
So this is important for you to understand the stone somehow.
The respect of stone.
The respect and understanding of the stone. This is important for your approach toward your artwork.
Yes, for all works.
And I see here these are quite simple, let's say, one would say trash.
It's very different to these Japanese ideas, I think.
But maybe the approach was the same. I mean, here is downstairs we have a most beautiful stone gramophone. But because of the noise, we didn't go there. And here we have like kind of trash.
Yes.
And so it's very different. There is a sound installation, kinetic object, and here we have something that we think is very light, but it's actually stone.
Yes, my shapes. It's as a sculptor, you are very interested in shapes and forms of the material, but there's always this idea of present the stone itself. And here, for example, is marble and basalt, and it's called blue pearl. It's a special drawing. And I like this material conversion. It's an irritation, and I like that when I go to my studio, I saw always the rubbish in the forest every season. It was always standing at the same point, like a stone. It's never. It was. There was no vanity. It was, but I like this. You have this eternity and this vanity, and normally this thing is used once and then you throw it away. And this is the game I made with this.
That's very nice. And it's again dialogue between material, form, and purpose of this.
Yes,
as
yes.
you say. And so, speaking of dialogue, how did this dialogue work for you? Were you here with other artists and with Rebecca Foley?
Yeah, it's a fantastic chance. I'm very glad to be here. I think it's a very interesting project with these different kind of ways every artist is working. You have a lot of medias, and I think it's we didn't know either if it's working or not. It was a project, and but now I see it's like a story. Every work is connected to each other, but it's never the same. It's like a story. It's going through each room. You can follow. Maybe it's like a.
Is this your first kind of project with Rebecca?
The first one?
Is this your first project like this? That is here with Rebecca, or you've done more?
Yes, I think it's almost the first time that Rebecca mixes her work with other artists.
Oh, it's
for example, young artists.
it's
Yeah, it's the first time.
No, but it's worked very good, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.